Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services. I was doing some research in our area. I work in Abington, and I came across your company, and I love working with local companies. Thought I'd shoot you the screencast, give you guys some insight into how you're doing online. Feel free to implement any of it on your own. And if you'd like to learn anything more about how Christie's Leads can help, my door is always open. I'd love to have a discussion. So just reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to talk about keywords, content, citations, and backlinks today. I'm going to start on the front page of your website here. I love this image here. Oh, that's really cool. Even the way you're saving your images does indeed count as keywords. I was just looking at that Bucks County Playhouse. So you want to make sure they're saved as highly searched, relevant keywords. And, you know, things like fencing installation, Bucks County, pool fencing, Bucks County. We have tools that kind of go through what's mostly searched. So we put about 1,500 words of content on the front page. The more content like that number tends to just like Google likes that and it understands what you're trying to do and where you're trying to do it. This is cute. And then this is, what's going on here? So this is your contact us. This is a good call to action. Those are good even for mobile as well. It's always good to have a click to call here. Those are great. So within those 1,500 words of content, we put in about 10 highly searched relevant keywords. And again, you can pop up for searches that you want to be found for because they're in your content already and Google understands that's what you're trying to do. So now I'm going to talk about the map pack and citations. I'll go back to keywords at the end. So I just did fence installation, Bucks County. You know, I could have done just fence companies, Bucks County. There's lots of different ways that people search for the same things on Google. One way to optimize your website is to appear first for as many searches as you want to that have the most search volume. So here you have your ads, but then you have your map pack, which is definitely the place you want to be because of its high visibility, especially in mobile. People on their cell phones will just click the call here. Look, you take up 5 lines, so that's good. If you're in the top of the map pack and the top organically, you're taking up like the most real estate on the front page. Sometimes, you know, we've had clients that can take up a couple different spots on the front page, and you just blow away competition because you're all that people are seeing. So in order to get in the map pack here, you just got to have more citations than your competitors and go, you know, you got to keep your reviews up and you have to go about a little process here. But a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number as it appears in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, Yellow Pages, City Search, stuff like that. The more you're out there, the more Google trusts you. And then again, you want to be in the first spot here organically as well. And if you're in this spot and this spot, you're going to get 80% of the search volume. So in order to be top organically, then you want to have strong backlinks and strong referring domains. You might be wondering what a backlink is. It's just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about fencing. Someone mentions your website. It links back to yours. And that blog is called the referring domain. So here's a tool we use called Ahrefs. This is your website. So this gives us a measurement of your strength and your trust. So you want to try to get these up. You have 4 backlinks and 3 referring domains. You're ranking for 4 keywords and you're bringing about 12 visitors a month. Now this could be a little off for sure. I'm just going to pop into your keywords to show you what you're ranking for. And while that's loading, I'm going to just show you one of your competitors here. ANS Fencing. Their backlinks, domains, keywords, and traffic. So it wouldn't take too much to beat them out. You just have to bump up your backlinks and domains. I'm going to pop into their keywords too, just in case there's not. Okay, so Richboro. So everything that you're ranking for is within your name, like Richboro Fence. So let me show you what I'm talking about when I say keywords. Okay, fencing companies in Langhorne, PA. So if that's you, that's what you want to be found for. You want to rank in the first spot for it. They are. So 30 searches a month, easy to rank for. This goes all the way up to 100. So it's easy in terms of the cost to you. as well as the time it's going to take. It's just not that competitive. Fence companies, Levittown, PA, 50 searches a month. 0 difficulty, which is easy. They're in spot 7, which is probably not helping because it's the second page. You really want to be in spot 1. If not 1, 2, then 3. Fencing Levittown, fencing Newtown. These are all the kinds of keywords you want to be found for because people are searching for that and there's buyer intent. So you're going to get better leads, better customers, better sales. Fence contractors, Warminster, 30 searches a month. Looks like they go to Freehold, Warminster Fence. So those are the kind of fencing services, Buckingham. Those are the kind of words that you would want to be found for if you were looking to use your website to optimize, to get some business out of it, to optimize it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was helpful. If you'd like to learn anything more about our services, please reach out via phone, email, or text. I'd love to just have a short conversation with you for 10 minutes and see where you're at. My door is always open. I work within budgets, and like I said, I'm local. So hopefully we can chat, and if not, if the timing's not right, no harm, no foul. Have an awesome day.